Hi guys, I'm going to be doing another review on another Despicable Me 2 action figure. Today I will be reviewing Minion Dave. On the corner of the package it says Despicable Me 2. There is Minion Dave. Right there it says Minion Dave. And under that it says action figure. And on the corner it says I'm posable. And on the box, it has a minion holding the box. So right there it says Despicable Me 2 again. And here are some other 2 minions. And right there it says Minion Dave, highly detailed, action figure, posable arms. And right there it says collect them all. Here are some of the other minions that you can collect. And those are the 2 and here are the 2 humans. So now that we took a look at the package, we are now going to take him out of his package. So here's Minion Dave. There are black lines on his head, which is his hair. He has a big smile on his face, and his arms are posable. He has black shoes, a blue suit with black buttons on the front and black buttons on the back. He is a very cute action figure. Here is a close-up. And that's it. Thank you for watching my review on the Despicable Me 2 action figure Minion Dave. Please rate, favorite, comment, and subscribe, and please no negative comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!